Hi, I'm Will, one of the archaeologists who works here at York Archaeological Trust.
And I'm Oddny. I'm one of the 10th century residents of the Viking street of Coppergate.
Today we want to tell you about some of the interesting objects that we've found and try and tell you how the Vikings would have seen their world. Now, as an archaeologist, we find all sorts of different things. One interesting object we found when we were digging at Coppergate was this here. Now, it might not look like much to you, but this is part of an old Viking comb made out of antlers, which was super tough. Now, the teeth have all broken off, but this is where you would have combed your hair.
I must say, that's a really nice comb as well. Look at the lovely decorations on there. Now, we Vikings take hair care very seriously. We like to put lots of time into cleaning and combing our hair, so having a comb is pretty essential. But if you're going to have a comb, something that's going to take hours and hours to make and plenty of money to buy, you might as well have a nice one. I quite like this one here with some nice stripy patterns on it. But another comb that I've recently bought myself is this double-sided comb as well. Why do you reckon it's double-sided, Will?
Is one side finer than the other one?
Nope, it's double-sided to show how rich I am.
Okay,
Well, making a comb takes a long time, costs me a lot of money, so I thought I'm just going to show off all my wealth by having two sides to the comb.
Oh, so it's bling.
Yeah.
It's just for showing off.
Absolutely, yeah. When I go down to the market, I might even stand there and comb my hair in public. I might have it tied on my belt as well. It's an important status symbol for both men and women in the Viking Age.
So it shows that people in the past like to show off just like we do today.